Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit and in this tutorial I will show you how to create account on Binance. You have a link in the description to Binance, so register from my link. You will get price to 100 USDT if you do it, so link in the description and we can start, my friends. So okay. So what you need to do is click create a Binance account, and now you have option like sign up with email or phone or continue with Google. Okay, I will choose sign up with email or phone. Now we click here, I agree, and now email or phone number. Okay. Okay, next, email verification code. Okay. Wait. Okay, it's my code. So copy, paste. Next step. Okay, write password. I must. Very good. Account successfully created. Okay, but it's not the end. We create done. Click done. And now here you have option like you will get 13 USDT, make your fees deposit if you will do deposit. Okay, so wait, I must change language. You must also register your account. In that way, you click here. Wait, you click in the profile, and now identification. Okay, faster, and you must get verified. Okay, if you wanna trade on Binance. Okay, so my country, Poland, get Binance app, or continue here. There are two options. Okay, so you must write your personal information. Okay, December, nice. Poland, continue. Document verification, physical document. What you need to do is identify document verification, take a selfie. Okay, click continue. Okay, I am not a resident. Other country, yes. ID card, passport, residence permit. Next, waiting for camera. Hello, and now you must show your passport, your document in that way, in the front, later in the back. Okay, and later you will do selfie and you will be verified positive. And that's all in this video, and you have account Binance. So it's everything what I wanted to show you. I hope I helped you. So it's very easy, very simple. If you have any question, write a comment below. And that's all. So see you next time. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.